Hello guys, welcome back. Maxtron 3K. Today I'm playing another game called Build a Boat for Treasure. And yeah. Uh um okay, so I got all this stuff. What's this guy's boat? Ooh, there's a harpoon gun. Um Engine. Wait, can I fit this engine on? Hey! I got an engine. What are they doing? What are these guys doing? Wait, I don't know. Okay, so I got a chair. I'm gonna put it right up here. Because I obviously have more worth than these guys. Um, I got balloons. Where do I... What? Okay, so, what are these guys doing? Um, chair. Well, there we go. Oh, come on! What are they doing? Is it gonna... Wait, what? What's going on? What? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna sit in my chair and let these guys do all the work. What are these guys doing? What are they doing? Um. Oh, I know. I'm gonna put this guy. Bam. Perfect. And what else do I have? I have a steering wheel. I'm gonna put this guy right here. And I'm just gonna be here and I'm gonna steer this boat. I'm ready to launch. Are these guys gonna launch or what? Wait, what's that? Ooh, jetpack. I'm gonna move my chair. Perfect. Well, bam. Man, we should launch this. Why are they putting missiles on it? Okay, Oh, I got a jetpack. Ooh. Whoa! What? Okay. um... What is going on? No! No! Okay, there's a steering wheel. Okay, there they are. Ew. Ew. What are they doing? I wonder if I can get on there. Come on, come on. And, come on, drop. And, bam. How do I control this thing? Oh, there we go. There we go. Ew. Okay, I guess I'm driving now. Okay, so somehow I'm driving, and yeah. Ooh. Wait, what? How am I supposed to get through this? Well, this thing does not break. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so I am currently dying. Okay, so I'm still somehow going. I'm surprised that I'm still alive. Wow. What is this, a fairground or something? Now it's just oh, it's a tornado. Oh. Oh no. Get through. Okay, okay. I'm still going. I'm still going somehow. What is this? Cheese? Oh, it's honey. Wow, this is really easy. Um. Ew. Okay, something's falling. What's this one? What? Do I just have to keep on going through this? Okay, we don't have any engines left. That is not good. Um, Okay, so I lost all my engines. That's good. So now I just gotta, I don't know, float away. I'm still in here. But it seems to be working fine. Wow, I'm actually getting through this. Okay, so that is not good either. Come on, get through, get through. I think I'm on the last thing, I guess. Huh? Did I make it to the end? If I die, I'm gonna be so mad. Whoa. Waterfall? Uh-oh. Um. Okay, I guess I made it. I'm still alive. So now what? Did I make it? Am I good to get off? No, 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 no. I'm stuck. Okay, Huh. Okay, so I don't follow this because I don't want to lose this treasure. I don't know. Let's see. What do I get? Ooh. Cool. Um. Okay. And I got time for one more. Yeah, I got time. What is this boat they've created? Jetpack, nice. Harpoons, rockets. Oh, come on! What? Okay, what is going on? Are these things like attached? Wait, what? Um. Oh. I'm confused. Do I just press launch? Why is everything like this? Do I need to unhook these? Oh, everything's hooked to something. I don't know whoever did this, but this is kind of dumb. Okay, yeah, I'm getting off. I'm building my own boat. Do I need to reset? Of course I do. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna build something. Take this. How many engines? I have one engine. Okay, so I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Like that, and then I'm gonna put the engine on back here. Right? Yeah, that's centered. And then What is this guy doing? What else? 1, 2. Okay, now I need 3 more. 1. Perfect. Now, all this needs is a steering wheel, what? Why can't I place anything? A mast, bam, and then I can put a steering wheel down. Why is that on? And won't let me delete it either. That should be fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just hoping this works, I guess. I don't know. Hey, works. I got a little mini boat. I call this the, I don't know, the SS Tall Boy. I don't know. So steering seems pretty good, I guess. I have very weak defenses, though. I bet I'd fall over in an instant. Like that. I'm still going. Okay. Huh. Uh-oh. No, no. Oh, no. This is where everything goes bad. Farewell, mateys. Oh. Did I drowned, didn't I? Okay. That's all the time I have. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. More content incoming. Yeah. Goodbye.